Compared to solid EPDM rubber, cellular EPDM is lighter and more porous, and it comes in both open cell and closed cell forms. There are many applications to which you can apply cellular EPDM, and it is exceedingly important to know which type of EPDM will suit your project the best. So, what is the difference between open cell and closed cell EPDM, and when should you use one form over the other? Open cell EPDM features interconnecting cells that allow air to move easily through the structure, allowing the sheet to retain its form and dimension despite being compressed. Open cell EPDM's flexibility and cellular composition make it soft and malleable while still retaining its weather-resistant qualities. Vibration absorption is one of the types of applications that benefits greatly from the use of open cell EPDM. The ability to dampen sound is a hallmark of open cell EPDM because of its expanded capacity for intaking sonic waves, and this makes it excellent for applications involving sound absorption. Closed cell EPDM rubber contains individual enclosed cells that don't allow movement of moisture and materials between them, and this type of cellular rubber exhibits a slower recovery from compression than open cell. The isolated construction of closed cell rubber resists the flow of gases and fluids, making the closed cell EPDM ideal for seals or gaskets in industrial or outdoor applications. Furthermore, its closed structure better prevents heat from escaping the material, making closed cell EPDM better at insulating heat. Thus, the closed cell form is excellent for applications requiring both heat insulation and sealing capabilities, such as applications in aquatic settings, like wetsuits. Now that you know the difference between open cell and closed cell EPDM, you're ready to select the right one for your project. You can contact our customer service staff at 1-844-RUBBER-4 for help launching your project.